All right, welcome back to the Roadmap Journey series. We are now into Module 15. We are setting up our email marketing campaign with System.io. Strictly my opinion, this was one of the best modules that was in the roadmap. There is so much information that is packed into this module, so let's dive in. So right off the bat, we are setting up our email with our domain provider. So we've already decided what our company name is going to be. We have gone in and purchased a domain from a domain provider like Squarespace or GoDaddy, whatever that domain provider ended up being for you. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be linking that domain provider with our Google Workspace. And so, Google Workspace is going to provide an email address that coincides with our domain name. Okay. So, I'll just give you a personal example, right? Company name that we decided to go with was Digital World. I purchased a domain, www.digitalworld, the O is a zero.com. Okay. And so the email address that I had was steve.digitalworld@gmail.com. But what we're doing now is we're linking our domain of www.digitalworld.com with Google Workspace. So instead of having the at Gmail, we're going to get the at digitalworld.com. And so your email is now going to be personalized to your domain. Steve@digitalworld.com is now the new email address that we have through Google Workspace. So that is what they're going to be walking you through the process of doing. All right. Taking your domain that you purchased, linking it with Google Workspace, meshing the two together to create a whatever your prefix is at your domain name.com. An update has happened since I purchased the roadmap in 2024, and they have a disclaimer now in this module for anyone that has purchased the roadmap since this 2024 update has happened. Google is now only allowing you to send an email marketing campaign out with your domain name linked to a Google Workspace address. So you cannot send out emails in a campaign at all from your personal email address. This is something extremely valuable that's going to add a lot of professionalism to your company, to your business. They're going to teach you things that you never thought you could even do. Going through DNS settings and things like that, that sounded like, oh my gosh, how in the world am I going to do this? And they walk you through it all, and you get it done, and you're off and running. So disclaimer as well, Google Workspace is a paid option. I believe we pay $7 a month for our email address. So that is another fee that you're going to take on, but it is a requirement and pretty much a cost of running a business, something that you have to factor in, something that I wanted to make sure that you knew up front. And so Zach is going to show you how to get the Google Workspace free trial, right? But once that free trial is up, you're paying. So now we've added our domain name to Google Workspace. We've married the two. We now have a fancy email address. They're now going to show you how to add that custom email address to System.io so you're set and ready to start your email campaign. So the next few videos are going to be pretty much all about setting up that email campaign, how to set up the emails within the campaign, what they look like, how to customize them, where they should go, all of that. And then they're going to go into showing you how to schedule those emails, how to get them to go out at specific set times. So it's something that you can handle on a more of a passive basis. So now you're going to learn how to set up your tags. You're going to learn how to set up the automation rules and how to track your leads. So somebody clicks on your freebie, they sign up for your email list. You get a prompt from System.io either by email or, by logging in the next time that you do, and it shows that you got X amount of leads. How do you organize those leads? They're going to show you how to go about that, how to do it systematically. So, everything is, organized for yourself. And so the last video in this module is going to be talking about how to create a newsletter that you want to go out, either monthly, weekly, semi-annually, however you want to do it. They're going to show you how to set that newsletter up and how to go about the execution of what it should look like, and all of those things, to make sure that you're taking full advantage of all of the features that you do have within this free System.io account. It's a great segue into what the next module is all about, which is diving into the blogosphere, right? They're going to walk through in the next module how to set up your blog, how to go through all of the process of doing that the proper way, and just another feature that you get with a free System.io account. And so if you have any questions at all about anything that we talked about or discussed in this video, please leave them in the comments. And as always, guys, we'll see you in the next video.